In this video, we will assemble and install the ink supply system for the SureColor F7200 printer. When completed, the printer will look like the following. The ink supply system parts consist of an ink tray and mounting plate, 4 types of screws labeled U1 through U4 and a pair of plastic washers labeled U2, a mounting hook, left and right side ink tray joints, 2 side frame pieces, 2 bottom brackets, 1 cover plate, and 4 ink tanks and slide covers. To begin, hook the mounting plate to the ink tray, and then attach with 2 U1 type screws. Next, attach the mounting hook to the right side ink tray at the outermost position using 1 U1 type screw. Align the right side ink tray part with the bottom ink tray. Once in position, secure using 5 U1 type screws. Now turn the assembly over and align the left side ink tray part with the ink tray assembly. Secure using 5 U1 type screws. Insert 2 U2 type screws on the left side of the ink tray and secure in place with 2 U2 plastic washers. Carefully align the hooks on the ink tray assembly to the openings on the printer, and ensure that the ink drainage tube passes through the notch on the assembly without being pinched. Secure the assembly to the printer using all 4 of the U2 type screws. Attach the left side frame piece to the printer and use 2 U3 type screws to secure. Please note that the frame piece attaches to the right side of the printer's bracket and that the tip of the triangle notch will align with the edge of the printer's metal plate. Now attach the right side frame piece to the printer and use the 2 remaining U3 type screws to secure. Insert the 2 bottom brackets into the 2 openings of the frame, starting by inserting the right side of the bracket first at an angle. Use 2 U1 type screws for each bracket to secure in place. Do not completely tighten the rear bracket at this time, as it will need to move freely for a future step. Insert the cyan ink tank and cover into the rightmost opening of the printer and push it back while simultaneously pushing down slightly. Slide the rear bracket left or right to align the screw hole to the tab on the ink tank. Secure the tank to the bracket using a U4 type screw with a long screwdriver. Install the black ink tank and cover in the leftmost opening of the printer and secure to the bottom bracket using a U4 type screw. Install the magenta and yellow ink tanks and cover and secure to the bottom bracket using the 2 remaining U4 type screws. With the ink tanks installed, tighten the 2 screws on the rear bottom bracket to secure in place. Ensure the ink tanks are aligned by using a straight edge or the cover plate to check for gaps. Attach the cover plate to the frame using the 2 remaining U1 type screws.